All right, let's see how this works. All right, so far it's been a real pain in the neck. And I mean, is it clearer? Yeah, a little bit. I mean, I still got to add the third step. I did the 2,000 and 3,000, but I think that if I was going to do this again, which I still might, I think I would go down to 1,500, then the 2,000, then 3,000. Because I think the 2,000 just wasn't strong enough to really get down there. And I got stuff to do, so I can't be driving around with, faded headlights at the moment. So let's see what happens when I add that other stuff, step 3. All right, sanded it all. And now I had to let it dry. I wiped it a few times, make sure all the water's gone. And let's see what this thing does. It's saying to go over it like this. Let me do this with 2 hands. I'll be right back. Okay, it's been, I don't know, 20 minutes or something like that. And wow, I mean, that's a significant difference. That's pretty good. Wow. I'm actually a little surprised because I did not think it was going to come out that good as I was doing it, because it seemed very yellow. Very, very yellow. And I mean, that's pretty good. I'm not going to complain about that. I was going to complain, believe me. I like to complain. But I'm married with 2 kids, so, that's part of it. Wow. I mean, it's sufficient. Definitely is sufficient. I'm happy with that. So, yeah. I mean, do I recommend it? Yeah, I guess I do. I guess I recommend that. It's pretty good. And for the price, I guess you can't beat it. Good luck.